Hey guys, it's me Mercy. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and a big welcome to my first timers. So yes, I know it's been about a month or so since I last uploaded, which I do apologize for, but the whole process of me moving back on campus and settling in took a whole lot longer than I thought it would. But as you can see by my background, finally done, and in case you're wondering, that is my side of the room. But today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I tint my brows using the God of War tint kit. Not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but God of War. So the things that you will need to successfully tint your brows are, of course, some kind of tint kit. I use one of my eyebrow brushes just because I don't like the applicator that comes in here. But either you can use the applicator provided or a brush. Vaseline to outline my brows, make sure the tint stays where it needs to stay, and swabs for the Vaseline. Yeah, what I like to do is to actually fill in my brows with the tint first before doing the Vaseline. I know you're supposed to do it, or I know you're supposed to do it the opposite way, but I can get my brows, I can shape my brows well, but it's the cleaning up process that I just like to use a cotton swab for the Vaseline to just clean it up afterwards. So yeah, here I go. So I'm gonna leave this set for like 2 minutes just to see what it looks like, and then I'll take it off and start my second application. So BRB. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes and I'm back to take this off, see what it looks like, and apply my second coat. And I forgot to say, the tint kit does come with directions for those who need it. And guys, please do make sure you do a patch test, just to make sure you're not allergic to anything, and of course to make sure the color does work for you. Yeah, like I said, I've used this kit before, so it wasn't necessary for me, but I do want to make sure you guys stay safe with whatever you're doing. Yeah, so please make sure you do that. But time to take this off and just have my wipes in here. Okay, so don't be alarmed when your tissue looks green. Oh, you guys can't see because of the light. But yeah, don't be alarmed when your tissue looks green. That's just the color that the tint looks like after wiping it off. But you know, nothing else is coming off this tissue, and my brows look completely different than what they did before. Mind you, it's only been 2 minutes that I've had this on. So yeah, guys, my brows look fuller, they look done, but I'm not done yet. I keep the front of my brows for my last round, just because obviously your brows don't start with a block, you know what I'm saying, it doesn't start with a square head. So, and which is what would happen if I were to just fill it in from start to tail. Yeah, and I like my brows having that natural ombre effect, so I just keep it for the last thing. Yeah, so give this another 2-3 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so another 2 minutes has come and gone. It's time to take this off. Do y'all see this? It literally looks like my brows are done. This is literally the best thing ever. I love. So another 2-minute round has come and gone. Time to take this off and sit for my last round. And this time, I'm really just gonna pack on the last of the tint, like focusing on the middle and tail of my brows and putting literally the minimal amount where my brows start, because I don't like that blocky, like square start. So I'd rather it be like, let me fix or like touch up that one part than me walk around with brows that I hate and can't do nothing about because it's tinted. So yeah, this is what they look like after that round. And one more time. Now I might just take this off and do another round, because I have enough products, like enough tint for one more session. So I think that's what I'm just gonna do instead of continuously packing this on. Yeah, since it took, whoa. Yeah, so I'm not too concerned about letting this session sit for the 2-3 minutes because of how long it took me to do this round. And plus I have like my official last round coming up, so I'm just gonna take this off and dry my brows and do like now my official last round. If I was gonna stop here like I was originally planning to, I wouldn't even complain because my brows still look so good. Yeah, like I really like how they turned out, but yeah, I really like how they turned out. But since there's more, you guys see that there's more in there, so I'm just gonna finish it. I'm not gonna let this go to waste. So what I'm gonna do is take off the front just to see what it looks like. See if it needs a reapplication or if I like it. I honestly, it looks good. Like I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna do one more. But this is literally what I wanted. Like there's no harsh start to it or anything. Okay, so it's time to take this off and see what I'm working with. Moment of truth, guys. I want you guys to see this. So there is no more product on my brows. They look like this, and there's no more product on my brows. So before the video ends, there are a few things that I wanted to update you guys on. One, the skincare routine video will be coming soon. That's me using my NOLA Skin Essential products that I unboxed and reviewed in my previous video. Don't really have much to add about the company or the products. Still love them, still love what they're doing for my face, so yeah. Two, it's October, Halloween is coming up. I had every intention of doing 2 Halloween looks for you guys, but now that it's the middle of the month, I will for sure be doing 1 Halloween look for you guys. If I can get a second one, maybe even a third one in, great, but yeah, for sure 1. And finally, I will also be recording a get to know me video sometime this month. So whatever questions you guys would like to know, or whatever questions that I haven't already answered through my little sidebars in my videos, please send them my way. I will be answering all reasonable and appropriate questions. Leave the questions under any of my videos. You can send them to me on social media. But yeah, just send me questions. I want you guys to get to know me. But that is all. So my 3 updates. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys soon.